Boom, boom, DVR recording. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna stand right here. So everyone's recording, everyone's happy.
0 volts.
What's up, boys and girls? So these are some Brother Hobby 1404 3650 kV motors. Extremely lightweight. I'll write the weight on the screen. I save at 4.6 gram total weight by swapping with these motor compared to 1404 Superman from Airblade. Okay, let's calm down for a second. Let me explain what I've been doing. If you guys have been following my videos lately, I've been trying motors for Cinewhoop to be below 250 grams. I have found these motors that are extremely lightweight, and since I have them, I decided to give it a try on this little 3-inch. And I've been flying really slow lately, and I wanted to see if these guys, by ripping, if they're good and efficient. And the quick answer to all those questions is I'm really impressed. There's no one there. Okay, that is snow. So I just flew a 850. I did 14 minutes. That's 2 minutes less than my Superman motors, but that was my first battery, so I need to test more. Now, it was quite long, boring. So I decided to give this guy a little rip. Oh.
2 minutes.
I decided to give this guy a rip. Is it tracking my face? So I decided to give this little guy a rip. You know, I can't see, I don't have my glasses, but it's right there. I don't know if it's tracking my face. Okay, I've got a bent prop, and to be honest, they are quite powerful, you know. Oops. Yeah, they're quite powerful. I'm really surprised, and I like them. Okay. It was like this. Give me just a few seconds. Like this. Like this. Great. Now let's bend this up. A little bit of that. So, as you all know,
0 volts. 0 volts.
flying fast and talking at the same time is quite challenging. Okay. So what I'm doing is basically looking where the line is, and I turn it, and I can sort of.
0 volts.
It's not perfect, but
0 volts.
okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm at 2 minutes only.
0 volts.
So yeah, I just flew it on 450. I did 5 minutes 11, and very funny enough, on a 650 I did 5 minutes 11. That is very funny. And obviously on the 650 I did pull the throttle quite a lot, like way more than the 450. So in a nutshell, so 5 minutes of hard ripping, I consider this hard ripping. I'll let you judge, right? I'll let you judge. That's the whole point why I'm making those videos. And I'll let you judge. I think it's pretty good, pretty dang good.
3 minutes.
And that's it with a 3-bladed prop, right? That's very important to notice. Because I was flying with a biblade, and from my very short experience with the biblade, the new HQ, they were really good and really responsive on those 1404, and I was really happy. Okay? But if I put this type of prop, the gemfan windancer 30 by 28, I think the motor was slightly having difficulty. Okay? And with these, I don't, hell no. You see how it goes up? I mean, this is 3S. And I had prop wash on the 450 and a little bit
4
less.
minutes.
And I didn't tune it, and the rates are a little bit slow for this setup, but I don't really fly this crazy. I fly a slightly lower pace when I chill out. At the in-laws, they have a really nice place, and I don't go as fast as that. Now I'm exaggerating, so I have difficulty doing the slalom with these rates, and I'm not. So at the end of the battery, you can see a difference in the top speed.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, 4.43. And I know I did fly slightly less aggressive, and also I did crash, meaning, oh wait a minute, the time on my OSD is not the same. So I only had a warning once, right? Oh, wait a second, this is so hard. Four minute 36, 5 minute 46 in the screen. Look, I'll let you judge the way I fly in the 5 minutes 36 I got on a 650, right? And like I said, on my Tattoo 550, I did get 5 minutes 11, and I personally have a preference for the Pulse, which in my opinion, in all my testing, they seems to always provide more punch and longer battery life than other batteries. So that's why I tried on a 450 Tattoo 5 minutes 11 and a 650 Tattoo 650 5 minutes 11, and now on this guy, which is roughly the same time, and I believe I have ripped way faster on the other pack. But 5 minutes is awesome. And this is only 3,650 kV. There's, oh no, they have 2,900 kV. So they have something lower. So I would highly recommend these motors. That's for sure. Highly recommend. And you know what? The bolt pattern is like the 9x9, I believe, the smaller one that fits in the Beta 75 frame. Or is it Beta 85? It fits in like the traditional toothpick frame, which is awesome. Yes, big thumbs up. Freaking good. And this, and I have a cool camera too. I don't have like those all-in-one, which are okay, but for a frame this big, I would rather have a better image quality for heavier weight. So this is polypropylene, 2.4 gram canopy. This is the same PP is the same plastic used in Tupperware, folding Tupperware. This setup is really cool. Now I don't want to take it apart. Well, I need to save weight on my cine whoops, so obviously I will change them, but I will put a lot more battery before I take it apart. This is good news. I really like it, and I highly recommend that you give them a try. And I'll see if I'll try to contact David or Dave from Broad Hobby and tell them a little bit more about having the exact same motor but without the M5 with the 2 screws with a small bearing, and have a different belt pattern to make it even more lightweight, because that's going to be a huge competition to 1103, 1106 motors, 1206, because yeah, these are actually really good. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this, please let me know in the comments if you like these tests, and I hope the audio is good. I think my next purchase for the Osmo Pocket is the microphone, and I have a wire and connect it, so because it's windy, I'm sure the audio is not that great. Anyhow, thank you very much. Goodbye.